it's time! Hey, welcome back to J&H Adventures. Today is the day. We are about to board the Carnival Mardi Gras, which is Carnival's biggest ship, brand new ship that just started sailing in July of 2021. We were actually supposed to go on it in April of this year, but it got canceled due to the pandemic. And so today we are finally here. We're excited for a whole week. We're gonna be on this cruise ship, and we've got all kinds of stuff we're gonna see, all the food, all the activities, the ports, and we want you to come on this adventure with us. Let's do it. We made it.
I'm so excited. Welcome to our room. So this is where we'll be staying. We're really excited. It's actually a really nice room. We have a square shaped room, which we've never had before on a cruise. So it's actually really nice because there's a lot of space to move around from your bed, which is nice because I can't tell you how many times I've stubbed a toe or tripped over something because it was just very narrow. So this is really nice. One thing I love about this room is the closet space. We have a ton of closet space. So there's two here with adjustable shelves, and then we have a third one here with a full body mirror, so it's just a lot of storage, which is really nice because you don't want to be living out of a suitcase for an entire week. And then another thing I really like, I'm going to show you the bathroom, is our shower. So it's a clear glass shower. We've been on other ships where it's kind of like the bubbly looking shower, so that's really nice. Just very modern, very nice, and excited to call this home for the next week.
Wow, that was the most energetic Sailaway party I think I've ever been a part of. This is our first time on Carnival, so I wasn't quite sure what to expect. And even with the pandemic, there's a lot of people here, but it is a vaccinated cruise, so there's so many people. There was music, there was dancing. It was awesome. Like, I've been on, this is my fourth cruise, which is not a lot for sure, but wow, it was so cool. Definitely Carnival gets the win for the best Sailaway party.